The Inland Empire is home to a number of firms that have established themselves as industry leaders in manufacturing. American Fireglass is the industry-leading manufacturer of premium quality fireplace and fire pit products. Led by founder Matt Dahl, the family-owned business and its 28 employees operate out of a 20,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Lake Elsinore. Since 2004, American Fireglass has sold over 10 million pounds of fireglass that can be found in many top restaurants, breweries, hotels, sports stadiums, casinos, and homes throughout the world. Since 1972, Phoenix Technology of Riverside has manufactured American-made helmets for firefighters and first responders worldwide. The award-winning firm, recognized in 2018 with the Presidential E Award for exporting, is led by Angel Sanchez, who has kept the business on a steady growth track. Phoenix has expanded its distributors throughout the U.S. and Asia, and has experienced nearly 90% expansion since the start of the pandemic. Risco Incorporated is a manufacturer of fasteners, screws, bolts, pins, and rivets. The company, led by Joseph and Lisa Franey, has 40-plus machines working in their 30,000 square foot facility in Beaumont to service a vast market of customers. Risco's advantage is its ability to offer long runs with high-quality material and manufacturing, and taking on projects that other firms won't, positioning them as a go-to supplier. Launched in 2018 by Grace Bays, Sign-Fastic is one of the only true manufacturers in the sign industry, located in Ontario. As an innovative solution-based company, they specialize in traditional signage, such as channel letters and wall graphics, while also offering the latest in digital solutions, including LED billboards and LCD walls. The company works with a broad range of customers, including Mercedes-Benz, the NFL, and many public sector cities and counties. They say that necessity is the mother of invention, and this was never more true than in the case of Hindi Zeidman, founder of the Ollie World. The Rancho Cucamonga-based company is a premium lifestyle baby brand driven by quality and focused on meeting the needs of little ones in the products they invent and manufacture. They got their start when Zeidman created an innovative swaddle for her foster son after trying every available product on the market and finding none that worked. The Ollie World products are available online and in over 1,800 Target stores, and will soon be available in other major online retailers and international channels. As you can see, these companies represent the Inland Empire region's top talent in the manufacturing sector.